me to be closer to you. Get closer to me. Get closer, Sills and Crofts. Let's get started. Hey, Aaron Smith here. Get Closer by Sills and Crofts. Now, I actually posted this on the Ultimate Guitar tabs back in 2017. I tried everything to copy the length, but you gotta, I don't know, I think you gotta be signed in to where you could actually go right to the Get Closer, the one I posted. And it's actually the sheet music. So if you want to go to it, go to the Ultimate Guitar tabs and look up, the Sills and Crofts Get Closer. And it's version 2, and it's under 6525 JKAZ. That's the one I posted back in, and I've got a lot of good reviews, since then. But I posted, I've tried to actually make a copy to where you can go right to the page. I don't know, I can't get it right for some reason. So all you got to do is go to the Ultimate Guitar tabs and put down looking for Get Closer by Sills and Crofts, and look under version 2, and it will say it'll be 6525 JKAZ. That's my username. So you'll find it, and it's actually the sheet music to the song that I'm going to play right now. And I posted that back in 2017. So here you go. Here's the first of it. Pretty simple. You just got to go. Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me. Just bounce on that. Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me. Darling, if you want me to love only you, then love only me. Darling, if you want me to see only you, then see only me. That's where it changes. So the first of it's, pretty simple. It's just a bouncing. You just bounce da, 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 closer to you. So you just bounce on that G note. The D. Darling, if you want me to love only you, then love only me. And then the verse before the change, it goes, darling, if you want me to see only you, then see only me. See, there you go. It's going E suspend 4, E. So I'll do it again. Darling, if you want me to see only you, then see only me. That's the way it goes. Then see only me. One more time. Darling, if you want me to see only you, then see only me. Goes like that. And then comes in, you'll be doing this. There's a line. Nope. I got to do this right. A line I can't cross over. It's no good for me, and it's no good for you. Okay, so there's what you're doing. There's a line that I can't cross over. It's no good for me, and it's no good for you. we'll do it again. I'll slow it way down, but I just had to get the feel of it. There's a line. I'll slow it right down. I can't cross over. It's no good for me, and it's no good for you. And there's a feeling I can't inside me, I can't explain, and you're wondering why. So I'm just doing the parts here, and I'll run through it again, the whole part. So it goes, there's a line I can't cross over. It's no good for me, and it's no good for you. And there's a feeling deep down inside me I can't explain, and you're wondering why. I'll run through all that again. See, the last part's got that G in it. So it goes, and there's a line I can't cross over. It's no good for me, and it's no good for you. And there's a feeling deep down inside me I can't explain, and you're wondering why. Comes to that G. Back to that E suspend 4, and then E. Then goes to a D. You say we've been strangers, but no one other could wrap around your finger. I'll do that again. And you say we've been like strangers, but no one other can wrap around your finger. Okay, again. And you say we've been like strangers, but I'm not the other to wrap around your finger. Whoops. Now let me play that again. Messed up. I put that E4 in there. It's not right. So it goes, you say we've been strangers, but I'm not the others. Wrap around your finger. Just goes to E there. And then back to the beginning. Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me. Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me. Just bounce on that G. Darling, if you want me to love only you, then love only me. Darling, if you want me to see only you, then see only me. Okay, the second verse, you play the same chords as you did in the first verse, and then you're back to the chorus. Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me. Darling, if you want me to be closer to you, get closer to me. Darling, if you want me to love only you, then love only me. Darling, if you want me to see only you, then see only me. know this song had a nice intro and stuff on it, but I don't have it. So it's got a real good intro, but I never did get that one down. Okay, yeah, the ending just fades out and everything. It's a little different at the end, so you just work with it and you'll get it, pick it up. But that's the main structure of the song here. So there you are, Sills and Crofts, get closer. So now you're going to see what your next lesson's going to be. Till next time, later.